does is a social media center. So you install it, and you can tell it where your media resides at home. This is my PC, this is my laptop, this is my storage device. Boxee will go and scan all those locations and bring those that to your TV screen, as well as it's connected to the internet, so it allows you to access content directly from the internet. So what you see here on the home screen of Boxee, the first line is recommendations, and those are recommendations from your friends. So you can see that Tom thinks that I should check out Tony Darko. And then the next slide, the next row is friend activity. So you'll be able to see what your friends have been doing, what they've been listening to, what they've been watching. Next line is recently added. So Boxee scans all those locations. If you just download the new album, or you put a new set of pictures somewhere on your desktop, or you reach a new DVD, it will show up here automatically. And the last row that's recently used, that's quick access to the stuff that you recently played. So I'll go and actually start with music. So you can see that I can access both my music, the stuff that I have locally, as well as internet music. So I'll go into internet music. And you can see that Boxee identifies all the artists that I have, and I'll go into one of those that I like. Radiohead, going Green Rainbows. And Boxee has all that information, so rather than looking at the list of file names and degrees, you get all that metadata, and I can play the song locally. One of the coolest features, I think, on Boxee, with regard to if you're listening to something, you can actually pull the lyrics. And we go directly to the internet and bring the lyrics for the song that you're currently listening to. So that was internet, local music, and I can also go and play internet music from Last.fm and other sources. I can also go into pictures, internet pictures or local pictures. On internet pictures, we currently have Flickr and Picasa. I'll go into Flickr. I can go into one of my contacts, one of my friends. You can see the experience is consistent whether I'm browsing music or browsing photos. I get the same type of navigation. And now it's pulling the pictures actually from Flickr. And this is, a picture of one of my friends. And the cute one, the girl is choking that cat.